Hello my friends, my name is Catherine and today I am going to be showing you how to decorate one of those bracelet blanks that I showed you how to make from a toilet paper tube the other day. So the first thing I'm going to do is take and cut the designer's label off of this strip of pattern paper because I don't want it on my bracelet. There we go. This is the Teal Hearts by Recollections scrapbook paper. There we go. And then I'm going to figure out how wide this bracelet is. It's about 1.25 inches. So I'm going to cut this paper at 1.75 inches. There we go. 1.75 inches. There we are, and set the rest of this aside for now. And then take my bracelet blank and some double-sided tape and put a bit of double-sided tape on the end. Go. And the other end. You can probably tell already we're sticking this paper onto the bracelet with the double-sided tape. You could use glue. I'm just impatient. So I am not using glue. And then I'm going to run the double-sided tape around the outside edge until I reach the other side, and then trim that off and do the same thing for the second side. Just making sure that I get the adhesive tape all the way around so that everything sticks down. Now, you may have noticed when I was cutting that paper, I cut it about 1/2 inch wider than the bracelet, and there is a reason for that. I want it to wrap around the sides. So, first thing we're going to do is stick it to the outside. Peel off the backing on our double-sided tape, if we can. There we go. There we are. All the way. Last one. Okay. And then we are going to take our patterned paper and line it up so that it overhangs the end by about 1/4 inch, and on either side by about 1/4 inch. And then, so long as we have the tube square, we are just going to roll it down the length of the paper. And then trim the excess off at about 1/4 inch. Alright, and then encourage that paper to be round like the tube that it is now adhered to, and maybe do a little pressing just to make sure everything is good and adhered. And then we're going to do the exact same thing with the double-sided tape that we did to the outside, only on the inside and one end and or side at a time, because it's going to be folding in on itself. Okay. And in this case, we're also going to trim those corners close but not quite at the edge of the cardboard tube. Close but not quite at the edge of the cardboard tube. At a roughly 45-degree angle. Doesn't have to be exact. It'll work out. There we go, and then fold it over and press it down. And then same thing for the other end, roughly 45-degree angle on both ones, close but not touching the cardboard, and stick our double-sided tape down, but not too far. Get a good angle on cutting that off, hopefully, and then peel the backing and do the same thing. And fold in that tab. So now it's stuck down, and then just take a moment to encourage it back to be round again. And then unstick the double-sided tape from myself and put it, actually not, yeah, go ahead, all fine, all the way from the end around the inside edge to the other end. And trim it and peel it and fold it so that it sticks down to the cardboard and not to me preferably, but however works best, whatever you can get it to do, I suppose. There we go. All right, one side done, and encourage it back round again. Ah, you've caught on to the theme, encouraging paper to be round. And same thing with the other side. Take the tape, stick it to the end and around the inside. And trim it off. And peel off the adhesive's backing and fold it around and in, hopefully evenly and nicely, but however, it's the inside, won't matter too much. Okay, and then encourage it to be round again. And you can stop right there and have a perfectly good bracelet. And I think I might go bracelet with hearts all over it. I could decorate it further if I wanted to. I could put some washi tape on it, but I think I'm going to save that for another project. I like this the way that it is. I actually might put a bit of this silver that I used on the first bracelet that I did on the inside, just to cover up that inside cardboard so that it looks nice. Because while you won't be able to see that unfinished edge, I will know that it's there. Or nobody will be able to see that unfinished edge, but I will know that it's there, and I want it to be finished. There's nothing wrong with making sure that things are the way that you want them to be. And the washi tape fits within the bracelet, which is really convenient. There we go. And then just a hint of silver on the inside, a secret silver heart. if you will. And there we have it. Another bracelet made. Can be worn, can be moved around, and took just a couple of seconds. That's what I did today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by liking this video, and remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye!